Here's a folding TV tray from Tatub. In this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of the assembly process and then show you the finished product so you know exactly what to expect when your TV tray arrives. Here's everything that you receive with your product. There really isn't many pieces to it, and they give you all the tools that you need to assemble this. The first part is getting the frame together, and this is the easiest part. It's just 4 screws on both sides. Overall, this took me about 5 minutes to complete. And now onto the second part and third part, which is getting those arms connected to the actual TV tray, which is just attaching screws in as the first step. Overall, this took me about 15 minutes to do. I did it by myself. If you have somebody helping, it could probably be a little bit easier with getting everything lined up, but overall, it still was pretty simple. And here's what the finished product looks like. I got this thing assembled in about 20 minutes. It was really simple, like I said. It works awesome for the chair in my bedroom. I was using the armrest as a place to put my dinner plates on, and that just really wasn't working out, so this solved the problem for me. It was easy to put together and affordable, so I'm super happy about that. You can bring it in and out of storage really fast, as well as just 2 buttons that snaps it in and out of place. So overall, super happy with this product. I give it 2 thumbs up.